Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can get Google Classroom right here on this computer here. So as you notice, school actually going back online and you want to interact with Google Classroom. But how can I get it right here on my desktop? Just make one click instead of open my internet browser. First, I want to bring up the Google Chrome right here. I want to come to the right. You notice we see 9, look at that here. We're going to click. Alright, and this itself is Google Classroom. Let me scroll down some more. The first thing you want to do is to click on it. You notice when you click on this Google Classroom now, the next thing you want to do is to come right here. Look at that. You're going to click. You're going to look at that. Now you're going to come all the way down. Notice right here, so more tool. You're going to come over here and click on create shortcut. When you click on create shortcut, if you notice right here, you say open as window. So you're just going to check this little box here, and you're going to click on the word create. Alright, as soon as I click on create, this is what comes here. Close this, and now we're going to minimize this. And there you go, and this itself is Google Classroom, and then this is how easy it is to get it right here on your desktop. So I hope you have learned something from this video here. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.